Title: You Can Do It. Unleashing Potential Through Determination and Action. Good day, everyone. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the profound capacity within each of us. A reservoir of potential waiting to be unleashed. The power of you can do it. Imagine for a moment a world where limitations are mere stepping stones, challenges are opportunities, and obstacles are but temporary roadblocks on the path to success. Such a world exists within the realm of your potential, where the mantra, "you can do it," resonates as a guiding force. Embracing possibility. The phrase, "you can do it," embodies the essence of human potential. It's a catalyst for change, a beacon of hope, and a call to action. When you embrace this belief, you acknowledge the boundless potential residing within yourself. It's an acknowledgement that your capabilities are not defined by circumstances, but rather by your determination and actions. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Many times, our journey towards achievement is hindered by the shackles of self-doubt and limiting beliefs. Thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I don't have what it takes," can cloud our vision and impede progress. However, the power of you can do it shatters these illusions. By challenging these self-imposed limitations and replacing them with a firm belief in your abilities, you pave the way for extraordinary achievements. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones we set for ourselves. The role of determination. Determination is the engine that drives the "you can do it" mindset. It's the unwavering resolve that fuels your actions despite challenges. In the face of adversity, determination acts as a guiding force, propelling you forward when the path seems arduous. Obstacles and setbacks are not indicators to halt your progress, but rather opportunities to showcase your resilience. They are the building blocks of character and strength, shaping you into a person capable of overcoming any challenge. Action as a catalyst. Believing in your capabilities is paramount, but action is the catalyst that transforms belief into reality. Every step taken, no matter how small, contributes to the manifestation of your goals. "You can do it" is not merely a statement. It's a call to take decisive action. By consistently taking steps towards your aspirations, you demonstrate commitment and perseverance. Each action, each effort, accumulates, creating momentum that propels you closer to your desired outcome. Conclusion. In conclusion, the power of "you can do it" is not a fleeting sentiment, but a philosophy that ignites the flames of potential within us. Embrace this belief, challenge your limitations, nurture determination, and take consistent action towards your goals. Remember, success is not solely about the destination, but the journey itself. It's about the growth, the learning, and the transformation that occurs along the way. So, dare to dream, believe in your abilities, and most importantly, take action. Because, indeed, you can do it. Thank you.